Hey guys, it's Nicole
And Emma.
and today we are going to test out some homemade slime.
Homemade slime.
It was made by a friend and they were like, you should really do this on your YouTube channel and try it out. It smells like slime.
Why do you smell it?
Because it smells like slime.
Oh, it does.
Like
Ew.
the homemade, like not the homemade, the store kind.
Mm-hmm. Smell it.
Smell. Look how gooey it is. Oh my god!
It looks like marshmallow fluff, though.
It does look like marshmallow fluff. How does it feel?
Ew, it feels sticky, but at the same time, it's like... it's like watery.
Oh my god! Dude!
It sticks to your finger.
It feels like snot!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! No, it feels like boogers.
I don't want to touch it because it got stuck to you. Hold on.
Hold your finger in it for a second. I'll lift up.
Oh my god! Should we dump it out to the table?
Yeah, after you get it off your fingers. It's still stuck on my fingers.
Okay, hold on. Okay, dump it out. Oh, I still got some on me. Oh well.
I do too. It's between my fingers.
Still got it.
Oh, guys.
Oh my god! That's cool. Wait, should I get it?
Yeah. Scrape it out of there.
Ah, no! Oh no! Hold on. Let me. Ah. Oh. Oh, we almost got it though. Oh no!
Is it stuck? Oh, there it is.
A little bit, just a little bit.
It's clean now. Except for that one piece.
You pushed my hand into it. This is sticky as ever. Like
Why is it so sticky?
look at this. Hold on. Wait, is it Poke Slime?
Is it Pokey Slime? It's Pokey Slime.
It's Pokey!
We should start making slime and doing videos of slime.
Okay. Next video we might do slime. If we have to get glue and then that's it. Listen though. It's Pokey.
Cause
Hold on, let me get this off my finger. It's like it's on.
guys,
Why is it so sticky though?
I don't know.
Like
Oh man. I don't want to touch it.
hold on, let me try to.
Your face isn't even in the camera.
Oh my gosh. It's getting super stuck to my fingers.
It's super sticky.
Like really sticky. Oh my gosh.
Guys, seriously look. It looks like boogers.
Friend, why you do this?
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no. Hold on.
It feels weird on the back of your hand.
It does? Ew, it does.
No!
This is so cool though. Ah, we're shaking the camera a lot. Oh my gosh, you guys. What is happening?
This has to be the stuff they make for the scary movies. Like
Yes.
on the monsters
Like-
that are all gooey. Because it's kind of hard to get off.
That looks cool in the camera. Oh my gosh. Bro, why is it... Why?
Did they make it right? Or...
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. What would this slime be called? Besides Pokey Slime. Because it's super sticky.
Snot Slime.
Snot. Snot.
It's Snot Slime. It's snot your slime.
Snot your slime.
Snot your slime.
My hands are so smooth now.
I know, it makes your hands smooth.
They didn't tell us what they put in it, but like we've looked up a bunch of slime recipes, and we just need glue.
Yeah.
I can't lift it up now.
Oh my. Oh no, I got it. Uh-oh. It's raining.
It's raining snot. Oh my gosh!
Snot, it's a miracle come true.
It's a miracle! Snot's falling from the sky!
Oh my goodness. I swear. Sheldon's hiding behind me.
Where?
He was.
Oh, I see them now.
Okay. What would you rate the slime though? From 1 out of 10. What would you give it?
I'd give it like an 8.
An 8?
Yeah.
I'd give it 7.5.
Like, of course it could be a lot better.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Sorry,
Because
guys.
it's super sticky, but at the same time, it's like super fun to play with. And
Yeah,
it just,
true.
yeah.
So, yeah, about 7.5, because it could be a lot better.
Yeah. They probably added water to it.
Yeah, I've read that too much water will make it super sticky.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Get him away. They just want to be near us. They are so mean to me.
They were telling me that my hamster's gonna die soon. Sorry, guys.
Oh my gosh, I swear if he comes here with the video, like, whatever. That was Morgan!
That was Travis.
Alright, guys, we're gonna go.